Hi, I'm Marcus with SpeakYourMindMethod.com. So let me tell you a little secret. There's a big problem with my YouTube channel. And no, it's not that I use my hands excessively, although that's up for debate. The problem with my YouTube channel is this. In almost every title and every caption of every video, what does it say? It's how to stop stuttering, how to stop being a stutterer, how to overcome stuttering, how to stop being a stutterer, stuttering, stutter. You get the point. Now, when I say that this is a big problem, it's not that I'm necessarily going to change it, because these are the phrases and the words that you are searching into YouTube and Google. So if I want to show up in those search results, then obviously I need to cater to what is the language that my target audience is using, and then make videos with those titles and those captions, right? Like a video that's titled "How to Speak Brilliantly with Fluency" is not going to get as many views as 5 steps or the 5 tricks to stop stuttering. So that leads to this. There is a real identity problem that many of us have unknowingly or even unconsciously embraced, and that is this idea or this thought process of I am a stutterer, of identifying you as a human being as not someone who struggles with your speech or struggles with stuttering or blocks sometimes. Like, you see yourself as a stutterer. It's part of your identity. And this is a big problem, because you're implying that it is an intrinsic part of you as a human being. This is one of the biggest things I learned when I started the process of overcoming a stutter myself. I needed to get out of that headspace and stop thinking of myself as a stutterer. But it's even deeper than that. I also needed to stop focusing so much on, don't stutter, stop stuttering, overcome stuttering, and instead focus on things like fluency, confidence, speech competence, right? You focus on the positive, focus on what the goal is that you're aiming for, instead of always exclusively running away from stuttering or running away from blocking. So your words matter, my friend. The way you identify yourself and think about yourself in the context of a speech impediment or a stutter, that matters. You need to begin separating yourself as a human being from this identity of a stutterer. You are not a stutterer. You might struggle with it. You might block up or stutter sometimes, but that is not a part of your identity. Now, if you push back and say, well, Marcus, it is part of my identity. I feel like I've been telling myself that for years. I'm a stutterer. Well, then that's your first thing that you want to change. Before you go and think that you can conquer the world and become an incredibly fluent speaker, you first need to kill this lion, which is thinking of yourself in that way of like, I am a stutterer. Because if you don't, you are implicitly reminding or just telling your brain over and over that you are not only a stutterer, but implied in that is you will be a stutterer forever. See, it's important to externalize the problem. Remove yourself from the act of stuttering and see it as a solvable problem. You just look at it and say, okay, this is a problem. This is something I'm struggling with. Let me develop a plan and a system to overcome it. And speaking of that, I've got the perfect solution for you, and that is my Stop Stuttering workshop. This is an incredible, systematic, step-by-step plan to give you a daily routine, and not just a daily routine, but I walk you through the science behind overcoming stuttering, why it's possible, how it works, and you are going to learn so much, and you are going to get a plan. We all need a plan. This is just like if you're trying to get fit and you're trying to go to the gym. It's pretty hard to stay motivated and to stay committed for the long haul if you don't have a plan to follow. And that is where Stop Stuttering Workshop comes in. It is 100% free. I should be selling this. It is worth so much money. The value, I didn't hold anything back. This is 45 to 50 minutes jam-packed with information, valuable information, and a step-by-step daily routine for you to follow. So what are you waiting for, my friend? Go watch it. It is going to help you out tremendously. It is the Stop Stuttering Workshop. Link is in the description. And once again, it's 100% free. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. I will see you in the next video.